Beats.com.
Load that chopper up and let that motherfucker bang. Let that motherfucker bang. Let that motherfucker bang. Load that chopper up and let it do its fucking thing. Let it do its fucking thing. Let it do its fucking thing. I'm with that nigga JD and he all about that pay. My nigga flipping bricks, so you know I'm talking yay. We in it for today and we in it for tomorrow. We in the fucking trap, call us young trap stars. We riding foreign cars, we fuck some foreign brides. We ain't fucking with no eyes, pussy nigga please stop. You ain't bout that action, so nigga stop acting. We in the fucking lap, why you pussy niggas lacking? Yeah, we get it cracking, we headed to the top. We ain't never gon' stop, we ain't never gon' stop. I don't care, I gotta drop, nigga, I put in the work. My nigga got that chopper, he gon' let that hammer blow. While we cheapin' on that dro. Man, these bitches on my team. Man, these bitches on my what? Man, these bitches on my team. Yeah, we do it fucking bro. Man, we been about that life. And if you keep on talking, nigga, I'ma take your life. Load that chopper up and let that motherfucker bang. Let that motherfucker bang. Let that motherfucker bang. Load that chopper up and let it do its fucking thing. Let it do its fucking thing. Let it do its fucking thing.
Load that chopper up and let it do its fucking thing. I'm going crazy in the membrane and I came to get the fame. Fuck you niggas, y'all some lames. Y'all can't hang where I hang. That banana clip go insane and that chopper go bang bang bang. Bullet holes through your body, got you looking like a zombie. 187, I caught a harm me, left no evidence on walk freely. I'm about that action, can't see me flipping bricks, I'm making this money. Different seas, I'm playing these dummies. In different seas, I'm playing these dummies. This is real life, straight action. No movie shit, we ain't acting. I put my niggas on with this rap shit and we killing it in a fact, bitch. So don't fuck with hoes, they ratchet. I'm blowing on that good loud shit. It got me in the clouds on some Jesus shit. We making moves and we getting it. We don't fuck with lanes, stay out my lane. They keep getting paid, we gon' hit the stain. We don't fuck around, we insane. Let's chop bang. We EMG, we ain't gon' change. We taking off, it ain't no thing. We gon' fuck around and get all the fame. And when we make it, we ain't bringing no lames.
Load that chopper up and let that motherfucker bang. Let that motherfucker bang. Let that motherfucker bang. Load that chopper up and let it do its fucking thing. Let it do its fucking thing. Let it do its fucking thing.
It's time to jeopardize for all these evil plots inside. I take my merchandise and minimize a nigga's misery. To motivate and activate to execute my enemies. Organize a demonstration, penalize a paralyze. A convenient unexpected when the bullet rips a wound. When they bleed I get in heat. Recognize my legacy. Look suspicious all you want, you got to fight with this prediction. On a mission with these visits, that's tremendous. I'm a minute, knocking me for stalking beef. Sparking trees is my relief. And copying heat and spraying streets and murder scenes is my belief. Goddamn, why I got to go through this pain? Goddamn, why don't it just rain on me, man? I don't understand all the hurt and pain in my life. From gaining stress in the joint, but I stay some point. I got rank to get you stank like my killer Cali homies who be hitting the bank. To hit your neck, release your pain.
Load that chopper up and let that motherfucker bang. Let that motherfucker bang. Let that motherfucker bang. Load that chopper up and let it do its fucking thing. Let it do its fucking thing. Let it do its fucking thing.
Game over.